let's talk about Curbivore. Sergio, if you want to talk about that.
Sure, yeah. So Curbivore, I was there last year. Fantastic event. It's the brainchild of the founder of RideShare Guy, Harry Campbell, with his partner Jonah Bliss and Tracy Chow. It takes place at an open parking lot in downtown Los Angeles on March 3rd. Take a note, all LA drivers, because I have a giveaway for you guys. March 3rd is a Friday, which is next Friday, not this Friday, obviously. Hopefully the weather is going to hold up, but you know, we do have a lot of tents and coverage. It's a massive, massive parking lot we're taking over this year. It's almost twice the size that it was last year. And last year, great success, obviously. So that's why we're moving forward with this year's event, March 3rd again. And if you guys want an address, although actually the best way to do this for you guys, all LA drivers, it doesn't have to be rideshare, by the way. This is mostly also delivery. Go to curbivore.co. curbivore.co. All the information is there. It's on Olive, the parking lot, parking plenty all over the place. So this year we have actually more of a driver-centric sponsor panel. So obviously Uber Eats is going to be there. Automotus is going to be there. Every is going to be there. Stevo, Wave, Pico Deliveries, Para, Gridwise, Solo, Alto, Beans AI, endless. Okay. But the theme this year is all these apps and companies, from payroll to actually navigation to safe parking, all these apps that are popping up, just like Gridwise and Solo. In fact, we had the CEO of Solo, Bryce Bennett, on our show. Para CEO, he's going to be there. We had them on 3 months ago. There's going to be a lot of CEOs of these companies who are actually helping the rideshare and delivery drivers with their, third-party apps. The idea is how to monetize the curb and how to make things safer, obviously, for all of us who drive and deliver. So with that said, on the show notes, there's a link. The link will get you in to the event for $5. The tickets actually range from anywhere from $99 to over $750 for VIPs. If you guys click the link, and for the first 50 drivers, now I'm going to do this for this Show Me the Money Club, and I'm going to do it next week. If we do sell out, it's not, $5 is nothing. The parking is probably going to cost you more, but in return, you're going to get free food. You're going to get free drinks. You're going to get free dessert probably too. So, and you're going to get to meet me. Now, the other kicker is one of our contributors from St. Louis, Pedro Dordas Santiago, Mr. Bet on You, is going to be there. He's flying in for the event. And he's going to have a meetup with delivery drivers between 1 and 2 p.m. on Friday, March 3rd, sponsored by Solo, obviously. And then I have rumblings that the professor may show up. You all know the professor from LA, Thorsten, and he has his own channel, obviously. And so he may show up as well. Most likely he will. I'm going to be there. So I want to meet all these LA faces that I only see in the chat box. Okay. So again, the link is going to be in the show notes. You guys will get in only for $5. The first 50 for the first 50. So if you want to go reserve your spot, go do it now. Honestly, it's well worth it, not to come see my mug, but to just network, to see all these CEOs, how they conduct business. And if you have plan Bs, I think it's a wonderful, wonderful event to take advantage of. So with that said, again, the link is in the show notes. Please go check it out. If you guys want to participate, I'll be there at 8 a.m. It starts at 8 a.m., but you can show up whenever you like. And the only thing is Chris is not going to be there. We could have done.
If you're watching, where's my plane ticket out there?
You should call the boss, because let me tell you something. I was like, we could have done a live from Curbivore, right? I mean, that would have been awesome. Yep. But maybe next year. So, but don't miss the opportunity. Now, if the first 50 do sign up and there's no more, Okay, so next week we'll release another 50 because we want this to be like a driver-centric Curbivore this year. Last year it was more like a business to business, B2B kind of a situation. This year is going to be a lot more B2C, business to consumer. And take advantage of it. Show up. I'll be there. I'll talk to you guys. I'll shake hands. I'll take pictures. And, my favorite journalists are going to be there, obviously, so we're going to do a lot of rubbing elbows and talking to CEOs and networking and meeting and having some fun and eating some great food. By the way, last year's food was awesome.
Harry, where are you at? You gotta send me a ticket so that we can live stream from Curbivore.
Last year, Liquid Death was one of the sponsors. Damn, that stuff is good. And then nice. I don't know. I mean, hey, come on down. And even if it rains, rain or shine, this is happening. Okay.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.